Welcome back, everyone. Today we will harvest bird's eye chilies. These were planted 2 months ago, and now they are ready for plucking. Look at the plants, they're full of green chili. Let's go ahead and harvest some of them. My mommy is harvesting the chilies now. Look at these chilies. There are many more in the plant. We will pluck them when they are ready at a later stage. I am not gonna taste these chilies as they are very hot. We will use them when we make curries. We also have Carolina Reaper chilies growing. These are supposed to be extremely hot, but they are not yet ready for plucking. Look at all these chilies that we just harvested. These are the bird's eye chilies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Bye!